friends. Today we're going to be reading the Scholastic News Bye Bye Bottle. And this fits with tomorrow being Earth Day. So we're going to see what happens to this bottle when it gets recycled. It says, come along with me. You put a bottle in the recycling bin. What will happen to it? Follow that bottle. As you read, think about what happens to your bottle in each step. First, it goes on a truck. A truck lifts up the bin. It dumps everything into the truck. Plastic bottles, metal cans, and glass tumble in together. Your bottle falls in two. Follow that bottle. Here's my ride. Now, before I move on, take a look at this. First, next, then last. We are seeing a narrative right there, right? When we're writing our personal narrative, those are some of the words we use. Next, it goes into a pile. The truck goes to a recycling center. It dumps everything into one big pile. A front loader pushes it all together. Now there is room for more bottles, cans, and glass. Follow that bottle. Hi, I'm right over here. Then it gets sorted. A conveyor belt takes your bottle to a special room. It's the sorting room. Your bottle gets put into a pile with other plastic bottles. Follow that bottle. Woo! Last, it gets smashed. A machine smashes all the plastic bottles into big cubes. The cubes are sent to factories. The factories recycle the plastic. They turn it into something new. Bye-bye, bottle. Ouch. I wonder, what will my bottle be turned into? Plastic bottles can be melted to make new things. Here are some of those things. New bottles. Toys. How cool is that? Some of your toys might have been bottles before. Tubs. Jackets. The plastic is in the jacket's puffy filling. All right, so let's see if we can get all these right. Reuse it. You can recycle some things. You can reuse other things. That means to use them again and again. That makes a lot less trash. So it says click on, but you're going to circle which one you can use over and over again. So let's go ahead and do the first two together. This is lunch bag. Do you think you could use this lunch box or this bag over and over again every day? Probably the lunch box, huh? Now what about these water bottles? Can you use the plastic one or this water bottle over and over again? Probably this one, right? All right, friends, go ahead and try to do the other ones on your own. Which one can you use over and over again and not just one time? You do not have to take a picture of this, but if you want to, you can.